Hi, today we are going to learn how to manage video ads and let your users to view ad campaign results. CM Ad Changer is a WordPress ads plugin designed to simplify the use and management of advertising campaigns on multiple WordPress websites. It's especially useful for companies that have several advertisement platforms on WordPress and therefore requires a banner server that manages and rotates banners from numerous advertising campaigns. CM Ad Changer Customer Dashboard Addon creates a dashboard for your customers to view and track their Ad Changer server campaigns. Customers can view only the campaign performance down to the level or each banner without the ability to change campaign settings. The Ad Changer Pro Edition is a WordPress ad plugin that consists of two separate kinds of plugins, the Ad Changer Server and the Ad Changer Client. Never install both of them together on the same site. Ad Changer Customer Dashboard should be installed on the site with the Ad Changer Server. When the Ad Changer Server is installed, first we need to configure it. Navigate to Ad Changer Settings. There you can find a few tabs with settings. Let's consider the options that we need for our use case. The options are: Server Active defines whether the Ad Changer server is active to accept banner requests. Disable History functionality. Turn off data collection on clicks, impressions, etc. This may help improve speed and performance. Notification Email Template. Customize the text of email notification that will be sent if the ad campaign stops working on some reason. Inject JS libraries on all pages or in footer. Use it in cases when the shortcodes are inserted within customized themes or other plugins. This is needed when banners are not showing up as expected on your pages, or when you add custom CSS styles to override settings and to better accommodate placement of the banner. Auto-deactivate old campaigns. Campaigns with selected activity dates will be automatically deactivated when the last date passes. Use cloud storage. If the option is enabled, then images that you upload to ad campaigns will be stored on the cloud server. This option demands another plugin for work. You need to install and configure WordPress Offload Media. When everything is configured, click the button Store Settings. Now it's time to create the ad campaign. Navigate to Ad Changer Campaigns. Click the button Create New Campaign. There you can see the form with 3 tabs that will help you to create a campaign. First tab is Campaign Settings. The options are: Campaign Name. Write here a name for the ad campaign. It will not be displayed on the front end, this is for internal use only. Customer Dashboard Campaign Assigned Users. This option is provided by the Ad Changer Customer Dashboard Addon. Here you can assign users that will be able to see the statistics of this campaign. Just find needed users in the list Available Users and click on them. They will appear in the list Assigned Users. The client site owners must be registered on your site to be able to check Customer Dashboard Campaign and see the statistics of their campaigns. Campaign Group. You can add the campaign to the group. Campaign Weight. Determine the campaign importance and priority in relation to all other campaigns to determine how often it should appear. This is important when used within a group of campaigns. Campaign Notes. You can write here a note. It will not be displayed on the front end, it's for internal use only. Target URL. Target URL for all banners in the campaign. Clicks are counted only if it is set. Open target URL in new window. If enabled, the target URL will open in a new window after clicking on it. Campaign Status. Disable this option if you want to stop the campaign. Campaign Manager Email. Write here the manager's email of the campaign. The notifications will be sent to that address. Send notifications. Enable it to send email notifications to Campaign Manager when the campaign stops. Max Impressions. Set the number how many times the campaign should be shown before it stops. Set to 0 to make it unlimited. Max Clicks. Set the number how many times the campaign can be clicked before it stops. Set it to 0 to make it unlimited. Approved Domains. Add a list of domains from which banners can be requested and served. Leaving this list empty will allow all Ad Changer clients to request the banners randomly without defined preferences. Advertisers. Name of the advertiser. You can choose it from the drop-down list of advertisers that you already added or create the new one. Custom.js. This field is designed to add custom JS codes into the page where the campaign ads are being displayed. The JavaScript code executes immediately, so it hooks into the banner click, shows model, show alert, call Ajax, etc. Second tab is Campaign Banners. The options are: Campaign type. Pick the type of advertisements in the current campaign from the list of currently supported types. In this use case, we choose Video Campaign. Display method. Choose the method of displaying the banners. Selected banner will only serve selected banner. Random banner will serve random banner based on banner weight. Campaign Video Ads. Here you need to click the button Add Video Banner and paste the code with embedded iframe. You can add as many videos as you need. Here you also need to define the weight for each ad item. Third tab is Campaign Activity Settings. The options are: Activity Dates. Define here the activity dates and time for the campaign. You can add 1, 2 or more periods. Depends on how many of them you need. Activity Days. Choose the activity days of the week for the campaign by checking the boxes. At the end, when everything is configured, click the button Add to save the campaign. Once the campaign is created, a new option Campaign ID will appear under the campaign name. Here you can find the number. This is the ID you need to use in the shortcode for placing the campaign in posts or pages. When creating the campaign is done, we need to place it in the post or page. The CM Ad Changer Client plugin has to be installed on another website. First we need to configure it. Navigate to Ad Changer, Settings. The settings here look very similar to the server-side plugin settings. The little difference is in the General Settings tab. Client Active defines whether the Ad Changer client is active. If it's disabled, no banners will be displayed by CM Ad Changer client. Disable Sending History Data. Turn off data sending on clicks, impressions, etc. This may help to improve speed and performance. Add Server Domain. This specifies the URL address of the WordPress server plugin installation, where the CM Ad Changer Server Pro is installed. Server Cache Update Timeout. Time and minutes between another call to Ad Changer server for fresh data. Default value is 30. Flush Cache Now. Check it to get fresh data from the server now. After configuring, click the button Store Settings to save the changes. Now we can place the ad campaign to the post or page or anywhere else on the website. Every created campaign has its ID. To place the campaign anywhere, we need to use the shortcode CM Ad Changer with the parameter Campaign ID that passes the campaign's ID. You can see on the screen how the shortcode will look like for our example. You can insert it using the tools of usual post or page editor or using the tools of your theme. Let's see the result on the front end. Now it's time to configure Customer Dashboard. The Addon Ad Changer Customer Dashboard should be installed on the same site with the Ad Changer server. When the add-on is installed, the page with the dashboard is created automatically. You can also place it on any page using the shortcode CM Ad Changer Customer Dashboard. The user can choose in a drop-down a company to view info about it. There will be available only those campaigns that have been assigned to that user by the admin. There are two tabs available in this tab: Campaign Info and Reports. In the first tab, the user can see all available information about the campaign. In the Reports tab, the user can select the dates for which he wants to have the report to be generated. Just need to choose dates in the fields from day and to day, then click the button Generate Report. The report shows the statistics about impressions, clicks and ratio for every banner of the campaign per each day. Once clicking on the Print button, a new report format will appear, which is adjustable to the printing format. You can use the quick filter that can help you narrow results related to a specific banner. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to create an advert campaign with randomized video banners and provide a customer dashboard for your users. Thanks for watching the video.